This is N2LEN with a quick video clip. Here is the fully refurbished Ham 4 rotor. Got it back from Cats. Just purchased the 9-pin round socket, converted it over to the regular 8-pin square. We're going to test the rotator and we're going to bring it to the, we're going to turn it actually 180 degrees. Okay, go ahead, hit it. There's the brake. And there we go. We tested it already twice, calibrated the actual the rotor box inside. So here is the new mast. Let me show you the actual. You can see how nice and smooth it's running. He's making it perfectly center. And there's the brake. Dead center. Shut off. You could shut it off now. Flip off the switch. Okay. So the new Ham 4 is ready to go. Now this, the 9-pin round, this is the actual tail twister connector. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I didn't finish putting the connector. This was just a test, but I'll let you see the actual, hold on one second. Here we go. There is the actual, the connector. It's actually 8 pins. And here is the actual, the jack. This comes as a kit, so you get the square connector and the round connector. And what I just did was just, as you could see, it's all soldered up. Let me pull it apart. All I did was make a pigtail. Okay. And the same thing on the small connector, the housing, it comes with actual small pins, and they're crimp on. I soldered them and crimped, and then they just slide in and lock into place. There are 8 pins. All you want to do is make sure that you follow the color code on the pinout. And that's basically it. So we switched over from a the old mast, which was 72 inches in length by 250 wool, so it's 1/4-inch walled steel that was almost 35 pounds, to 72-inch aluminum, 2-inch OD, 1/4-inch walled aluminum. You can see how thick it is, and that dropped it over 20 pounds less in weight. Here is the thrust bearing, very heavy duty with 2 set screws, and the change out to the new rotator, and it's running really smooth. So this is N2LEN saying best 7.3s. If anybody purchases a new style tail twister, or a new, you know, with the newer style 9-pin round socket, DX Engineering sells the kit. You have to build it from scratch, but I think it was $37 from DX Engineering, and I had it in 3 days. That's it. This is N2LEN saying best 7.3s.